Your credit score is not what you think it is. It's not just about paying your bills on time. It's not even fully controlled by you. And even if you're trusting the credit bureaus to be fair, you're already losing. In a few minutes, I'm going to expose to you how the credit score algorithm really works, why they don't tell you, and how a tiny change in just one category can drop your scores over 100 points overnight. They say the formula is simple. 35% payment history, 30% credit utilization, 15% how long you've had an account open, 10% your new accounts that you add and get approved for, and 10% with the credit mix, the different type of accounts that you have. But here's the catch. Each of those categories has a secret rule, and weight shifts based on your profile. Two people can miss a payment. One loses 20 points, other loses 90 points. Why? The algorithm punishes based on your entire credit profile, not just that mistake. You might think you're safe because you didn't max out your credit card. But if you go over 30% of your limit, the algorithm flags you as risk over 50%, and it slams your score, even if you pay that credit card on time. Every time you apply for credit, they log an inquiry. Too many in a short time, you're seen as desperate and your score gets dinged. Here's what they didn't tell you. The impact of those inquiries depends on your existing credit history. The algorithm isn't built for you and me. It's built to protect lenders. The credit bureaus profit when they sell our information to lenders and other creditors. Here's what you can do right now. Number one, keep utilization under 10% for your credit card accounts and not over 30% when the statement date is processed by your credit card company. Build a mix of different types of credit lines, credit cards, installment, and revolving account. Dispute inaccurate information early and often because yes, they do make mistakes. And then finally, add some aged accounts by utilizing credit building tools like authorized users. Your credit shouldn't be some type of mysterious number that you have no control over. The credit bureaus are the gatekeepers, but you do have control. If you need help repairing your credit and increasing your scores, visit thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch my video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. That's where everything starts. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, debt validation, and cease and desist collection activities letter. Please subscribe to the channel, share this video, post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.